One. Welcome to Take 5. I'm Jonathan Cham, and we have our lovely Priyanka Vergadia. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
All right. So what are we talking today?
Chatbots.
All right. One of my favorite topics. You're going to show us how to build a chatbot on Google Cloud Platform. Let's do it. And let's start the timer.
All right, great. So let's get right into it. What I'm going to show you is a Helpdesk chatbot that will help you reset passwords, or it can also help you submit tickets, which is usually what people call in support for. And that could also help you reduce the number of phone calls coming into your support. So let's get right into it. I have a flow that I built out here. I would like to submit a ticket, and then that should bring back sure, I can help you with that. And then give me your name so I can log the ticket. Name is something, and then it personalizes it and says, okay, thank you, John. Now describe the ticket for me. And you could say, whatever the issue is, I'm going to say my phone is broken. And then that should take that request and as a ticket description and log a ticket for me. And it's actually interfacing through Cloud Functions into data store, which is our NoSQL database within Google Cloud Platform. And you can see that right here. So if I refresh that and look for that entry, that's the ticket number, and my phone screen is broken. So it's basically feeding into the data store, and through Cloud Functions, which is the functions right here, and all it's doing is basically a few lines of code that's just taking that data as the name that the person said, creating an entity, and then pushing that entity into the data store, and then responding back saying, here's your ticket number, someone will contact you. So that's all it's doing. And then we'll go into Dialogflow in just a little bit. So that was the simple flow of what's going on here. You could write this. It's the same thing in Dialogflow, and you can enable integrations to enable it for Google Home or for your phone assistant as well.
Everything's in the same interface.
Everything is in the same interface, and I'll show you the interface right now, but test that in the assistant. So let's do that right now here. Talk to help desk support.
Okay, getting the test version of Helpdesk support. Hello, how can I help you today?
Help me reset my password.
No problem. Username, and I will send the link to reset your password.
My name is Priyanka.
One-time password reset link.
Got my name right.
That's great. I can't even spell it right.
Within
I
next
know.
24 hours.
Yeah.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, can you help me submit a ticket?
Sure, I can help you with that. Please provide me your name for the ticket.
Lily. And then it'll take the
Thanks,
name and
Lily.
do the
Now
same
describe
submitting
the
ticket
issue for me
process
so I can
again.
add it into
So
your ticket.
basically, I just wanted to show that it can do, you're writing it once, and you can furnish it on any of the platform you would like, and then just it'll start working for all the platforms. So coding once and having it published everywhere.
Workflow real quick. So you have the chatbot. It's out of the box. You didn't have to do any real mathematical algorithms or put together any models.
Not at all. So this is it right here. So what you're seeing on the screen right now is what I had built, and I didn't have to do any scientific process behind it or do mathematical models. I just said there's something called an intent, which is where you say whatever the user can say. So I have all possible options of what a user can say. Like I have a problem, ticket, something related to that. And then what would I respond back with is what you put in there. In cases like when we were submitting the ticket and it was going into data store, that's where we are writing, it helps you also parse out things like entities, like I'm trying to find what type of tickets they are, like phone or laptop, or what is it related to, so I can parse out those. I don't have to write any code for this. And then which is where it connects to the Cloud Functions, where it's trying to call an API. And you could actually, you don't even have to use Cloud Functions anymore because it's already integrated. So you could write this code right here within Dialogflow and just have it integrated to any API. We just released this feature 2 weeks ago, so that's why I don't have it implemented in here, but that's the cool part. So we are up about that's pretty much all I had. That's how easy to actually build a chatbot. This is the workflow that we had been using. And that's all. We had Cloud Function, Dialogflow, calling Cloud Function, calling data store, and helping users without making any phone calls.
Thank you for that. You ran over probably about 10 seconds,
Oh my God.
but you're okay. We'll still keep the video. Thanks,
All right,
Priyanka.
thank you.